Tonight, all eyes remain on Chief Justice Martha Koome to see whether she will swear in the newly appointed Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC chairperson and commissioners, after it emerged that President Ruto defied an existing court order appointing the officials. The petitioners in a case, Boniface Mwangi and Kelvin Omondi, are set to meet their lawyers this weekend to deliberate on what action to take. NTV's Victor Ngaruya reports that the Kenya Human Rights Commission has written to the Registrar of the Judiciary, asking the Registrar not to proceed with plans to swear in the officials, as it will be tantamount to perpetuating an illegality.
The move by President William Ruto to formally appoint new IEBC chair and commissioners puts the judiciary in a dilemma regarding the swearing-in of the officials. Swearing in the officials against the court order barring the same will be equivalent to the judiciary rubber-stamping illegality. On Monday, June 9th, the case challenging the section of IEBC commissioners was mentioned before Justices Roslyn Aburili, Bahati Mwamuye, and John Chigiti on Monday. The three-judge bench upheld an earlier ruling by Justice Lawrence Mugambi, who had halted the gazettement. During the mention of the case, a hearing date was set for June 23rd. The petitioners who secured the conservatory orders blocking the appointment of the commissioners say the president's move came as a shock. They accuse the president of blatant disobedience of a court order, raising the question, why is the president in a hurry to appoint and fill the IEBC vacancies now? It should be remembered that the electoral body has been without commissioners for nearly 28 months, and the conservatory order barring the appointment of the nominees has been lifted.
Pending the hearing and termination of this petition, a conservatory order is hereby issued forbidding and or preventing the gazettement, taking of oath, or assuming of office by the interested parties, namely Erastus Edung Edhakon, Anne Jerin Deritu, Moses Altara Mukwana, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nurul Hassan, Francis Odhiambo Wadwol, Fahima Haravat Abdara, or any other person or persons as the chairman or commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission.
Well, that hurry could be put on ice if a meeting with the petitioners and their legal teams, led by Senior Counsel Paul Mwita this weekend, resolves to file a contempt of court case against Ruto and the government printer. The meeting slated for Saturday could also resolve a file petition seeking to revoke the appointment and gazettement of the commissioners. Meanwhile, the Kenya Human Rights Commission now wants the swearing-in of the officials halted. KHRC contends that the conservatory order was not a suggestion, and should the Registrar of the Judiciary go ahead with the swearing-in ceremony, then the judiciary will be participating in illegality. The commission has warned the judiciary against being manipulated by the executive. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.